Hi everyone, I'm Rashida, your English companion. Welcome to our English learning journey where we'll focus on speaking, understanding and listening skills. Together, we'll discover useful vocabulary that you can use in everyday life. It's a fantastic chance to enhance your English speaking and listening abilities. Cooking vocabulary with easy meanings and example. 1. Pinch, meaning a small amount of something, like salt, that you can hold between your thumb and finger. Example: add a pinch of salt to the soup. 2. Sift, meaning to put flour or other dry ingredients through a sieve to remove lumps. Example: sift the flour before adding it to the mixture. 3. Crack, meaning to break open something, especially an egg. Example: crack the egg into a bowl. 4. Knead, meaning to work dough with your hands to make it smooth and elastic. Example: knead the dough for 10 minutes. 5. Melt, meaning to change something from a solid to a liquid by heating. Example: melt the butter in a pan. 6. Peel, meaning to remove the outer skin from fruits or vegetables. Example: peel the potatoes before cooking them. 7. Roll out, meaning to flatten dough with a rolling pin. Example: roll out the dough into a thin layer. 8. Spread, meaning to evenly cover a surface with a substance. Example: spread butter on the toast. 9. Fry, meaning to cook food in hot oil or fat. Example: fry the eggs until they are golden brown. 10. Drain, meaning to remove liquid from something, usually by using a colander. Example: drain the pasta after boiling. 11. Pour, meaning to cause a liquid to flow from one container to another. Example: pour the milk into the glass. 12. Mix, meaning to combine ingredients together thoroughly. Example: mix the flour and eggs until smooth. 13. Mash, meaning to crush food until it becomes smooth. Example: mash the potatoes with a fork. 14. Chop, meaning to cut food into small pieces using a knife. Example: chop the onions finely. 15. Squeeze, meaning to press something firmly to extract juice or liquid. Example: squeeze the lemon over the fish. 16. Slice, meaning to cut something into thin, flat pieces. Example: slice the bread before serving. 17. Grate, meaning to shred food into small pieces using a grater. Example: grate the cheese for the pizza. 18. Sauté, meaning to quickly fry food in a small amount of oil or butter. Example: sauté the vegetables for a few minutes. 19. Boil, meaning to heat liquid until it bubbles and turns to vapor. Example: boil the water before adding the pasta. 20. Steam, meaning to cook food using the steam from boiling water. Example: steam the broccoli until tender. 21. Grill, meaning to cook food on a grill over direct heat. Example: grill the chicken for 10 minutes on each side. 22. Roast, meaning to cook food, especially meat, in an oven. Example: roast the turkey in the oven for 2 hours. 23. Blend, meaning to mix ingredients thoroughly in a blender or with a whisk. Example: blend all the ingredients until smooth. 24. Bake, meaning to cook food using dry heat in an oven. Example: bake the cookies for 15 minutes. 25. Add, meaning To put something into something else. Example. Add sugar to your tea. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you find it enjoyable and educational. Feel free to share your thoughts with us. See you in the next video.